that hole. There's water down there. There's a Hobie Creek, and then there's water. I think water's coming out of the top there. You can see it's caving. Here we are where it's caving in. Can't go too close, it's starting to drizzle. They got it fenced off. And that's probably a 50-foot drop. And it's probably, I don't know, 200 yards to the expressway, whatever. It's pretty far. And they said it was out 30 feet before. Oh, or gentle thing walking down there. It wasn't steep cliff. So, it's starting to drizzle out now. Let's pray that nothing bad more happens. And you can see over there, they say that that's starting to go down. That pole, RG&E has done nothing about that pole. So the electric may go out. If that goes down, it could cause a fire. Not that they're too concerned. And they say there was only, two politicians that were concerned, that they talked to on the phone, actually. The state assembly person and then the town supervisor are the only two that had, they say the congressman wouldn't do nothing, and some of these other people wouldn't do nothing. You know, they couldn't get them to return a call and blah, 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 which, you know, I don't know, election time's coming up. You can't see it from here. There was a little lake down there. Here it is right here. A young family. The house is almost going to fall in. The backyard's caving in. I'll show you the backyard's caving into the ravine. She's pregnant. She's expecting. It's a pretty sad situation. The government doesn't seem to do much to help, other than covering up or trying to, you know, cover their own situations. And they feel, and I feel, that it's the state is partially responsible for the expressway there. When they built it, they made that creek, and they say the creek is backed up in the back, and that's where a lot of the water is. So if you read this thing here, per word, they've had a catastrophe. The insurance don't pay for it. The government doesn't seem to want to help. They say it's private property. But a lot of the situation started with the state property there, where the expressway was built, and the creek that they created, and now there's a pond down there because it's backed up. So the state, that I cannot stand, does not seem to want to get involved on this. And some of the other politicians, maybe they can't do nothing. But I you know, these people are going to need some money. The people next to them are living in a relative's house. The house is condemned. Their house, these people's houses here, may be condemned soon. To get it fixed may cost, they said it will cost well over 6 figures. I mean, they told me a ridiculous amount of money. This is a GoFundMe that they've got there, and you can see it at the top. You go to GoFundMe /, and then it's got that number or whatever, alphanumeric, and that's Dave and Tessa Stafford.